Hi guys! Welcome to Step 9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on perimeter, no? So in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay perimeter of triangles, no? So halimbawa, itong given natin dito, no? Madali lang kunin yung perimeter niya, no? Kasi sabi natin from the previous videos, ang perimeter ay yung total length ng sides, no? So lahat ng sides ng polygon pag kinuha mo yung length nun, tapos inadd mo silang lahat, yun ang tinatawag natin na perimeter. So for example, here, if we have ABC, no? Triangle ABC, the perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 11 plus 6 plus 9. So perimeter is, ilan yan? 26 units. No? So if the sides, no, of a rectangle, not a rectangle, but a triangle has side lengths, pag ang side lengths na ay A, B, and C, no? A, B, and C, then its perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. No? So yung A, B, C na maliliit, yan yung representation natin ng length. No? So siguro we'll have one example, or maybe two examples. So the sides of a rectangle, no? So A is equal to 7, B is 9 centimeters, and C is 12 centimeters. What is the perimeter? No? So perimeter is A plus B plus C, and perimeter is equal to 7 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 12 centimeters. So what's the perimeter here? 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 12 is 28 centimeters. Okay. So example 2. So meron tayong triangle, no, with side lengths. Malaking triangle lot, for example. Side length niya ay 16 meters. Ang B niya ay, another side is 23 meters. And another side is 41 meters. So this is a weird lot, for example. No? Triangular siya na lote. So the perimeter of the lot is equal to A plus B plus C, which is equal to 16 plus 23, 16 meters plus 23 meters plus 41 meters. So ilan yan? 16 plus 23 plus 41. That's 10 carry 1. 8. So the perimeter is 80 meters. So remember, ang perimeter ay yung length ng sides, no, total. Baka mapagkamalan nyo siyang area, no? Hindi siya area. Okay? So last example we have, paano pag given naman yung perimeter, no? Pag given yung perimeter, for example. So for example, we have triangle P, Q, and R. And given itong perimeter, huwag natin na tayo maglagay ng P kasi baka malito kayo. QRS na lang. So, ang perimeter natin ay suppose one side is 26 units, another side is 18 units. What is this side, no? So, ang perimeter, for example, ay 53 units, for example, yung perimeter. So, ano yung unknown side, no? So, sabi natin sa previous formula, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, no? If we let the lengths of the sides be A, B, and C. So, dito, pwede nating gawing perimeter is 26. Given yung perimeter natin, di ba? So, 53 is equal to 26 plus 18 plus C. So, for example, if we let this C, if we let the unknown be C, so 53 equals, what is 26 plus 18? 44 plus C, no? And C is equal to 53 minus 44, which means that C is equal to 9, no? 9 units. So meaning this side, no, is equal to 9 units. Okay, so that's it for perimeter of triangle. Hindi naman siya masyadong mahirap. So I think one video is enough, no? Gusto ko i-invite sa ating website, zipline.com, at syempre sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zipline page. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.